Action P.A.C. 3-day Stunt Intensive program is designed to equip novice stunt performers with current stunt skills, standards, and practices with an emphasis on safety in order for them to have a solid foundation from which to launch a career in the exciting field of motion picture stunts. The skill sets emphasized are the bread and butter skills needed to acquire entry-level stunt positions and ensure safety of performers and all those around them. The three primary things stunt performers must know how to do are fight scenes, flying through the air, and hitting the ground, or other objects. If you can do these three things proficiently, you will probably be able to survive as a stunt performer. Trainees will learn low-level falls and rolls, basic gymnastic and balance skills, working with mats, pads, and personal protective gear, how to perform fight scenes, air sense training on trampoline, sword play, stunt rigging and wire work, working with fire and explosives, stunt theory, terminology, safety practices, and set etiquette, how the business of the stunt industry works, and finally an intro to specialized high-tech stunt equipment. Action P.A.C. programs are designed and taught by veteran stuntman and stunt coordinator John Can. With nearly 35 years of experience, a flawless safety record, and hundreds of professional credits to his name, you can rest assured that the training you will receive will be the best possible training available anywhere. Sign up now at actionpac.com.